See this guys, from one website I have download this ebook, okay, and sell this ebook for 25 US dollars. Okay, do you want to know how we can sell this type of thing? So you can see this. This is one website where I have downloaded for free, and this website will automatically sell my products on reputed ebook selling websites. You can see Amazon, Kindle, Kobo, Ngram, which are successful in selling the ebooks and generate me good amount of gross income. Do you want to know how we can do? Just follow along this video and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn a good amount of money by just sitting at home and just doing copy paste work and earn money online. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just selling your ebooks on this new platform. Okay guys, so guys, the website link is in the description box and you are redirected to this page. So guys, basically this website is different, okay, and you can earn money online by just uploading your ebook on this website. And guys, see this website, okay, this website will automatically sell your ebooks to these reputed platforms. Okay guys, so it's good guys, because you just need to open one store in this website and this website will sell your product to different kinds of stores. Okay, so how to do it guys, I just show you. No skill required guys, nothing. You just need to do the copy paste work and that's it. Okay, so just come up here and just see step by step how to set up a store and earn money. Okay, so I just need to first register here. Okay guys, you just come up here and just click on this register. Okay, and you are redirected to this page. Okay guys, so I just need to fill my details, so I just quickly do it. Okay, so I just enter my name, okay, and my mail ID. Okay, the currency should be United States dollar. Okay, so enter your password, confirm your password, okay, and fill this captcha guys. I'm not a robot, and agree to the terms and condition and just click on this register button. That's it guys. Okay, so just wait for this, and guys, a verification mail is sent to your mail ID. Okay, so just check your mail. You can see guys, I have get a confirmation mail. Just click on this confirmation mail. Oh, I just click on some other. Okay, just click on this confirmation mail. Okay, so you are redirected to this page. You can see guys, okay, your mail ID is confirmed. So what do you need to do guys? What do you need to do? You just sign in. You can see. And what do I need to do right now? Okay, I just upload my ebook. So you can see guys, my project. You can see my project. Okay, so your mail ID is verified, and you can see guys, so in order to start my project, or we can say that create your project is basically to set up your ebook on this platform. Okay, just start a project, just click on this, and you can see guys what we need to do. You can guys even sell your magazines, yearbook, okay, ebook I'm showing you comic books, photo books, and the print books. Okay, you can sell these kind of things on this platform. So I just select ebooks because I show you a demo. Okay, you can obviously do other things as well guys. Okay, if you are expertise in that. So you can see guys, it will give you free hosting. Okay, so what do you need to do guys? You just need to give the title of your ebook. Okay, so for that guys, we should have a ebook. So just come up here and you can see guys, this is free PLR downloads. Okay, this is a free platform where we can download hundreds and hundreds of ebooks. Okay, and there are other one more website guys, I should tell you, because I want you guys to earn more. Okay, so you can see guys, this platform, this is another platform, indigitalworks.com, where we can find hundreds and hundreds of books to sell. Okay, so the description of these two sites, I just post it on the description box, so you do not need to worry about it. You are just redirected to this page and can earn money. Okay, so what do I need to do right now? So guys, I just click on this one of this ebook. Okay, so Workshop Master Revealed. Okay, so this is one ebook name. Okay, so Workshop Master Revealed. So I just need to download this. And guys, one thing this website will demand, that this the downloaded material is in the form of PDF, but this website will offer you, okay, will offer you a doc file. Okay, so you should convert your PDF file to doc file. For that, you just come up here, and what you can do, guys, convert PDF to Word. Okay, you can do it online. Okay, you can see, guys, PDF to Word converter. You just need to choose your file and it will automatically do the conversion. Okay, so that's it, guys. Okay, so just need to download this thing. Okay, I just show you how it is downloaded. Okay, so just need to download it, upload it on Word. For sample, guys, I have already did it because the video is getting too long if I just show you step by step. So now you can do it, guys. I just teach you how to do. Okay, so what its name? Workshop Master Revealed. So I just quickly enter this, Workshop Master Revealed. Okay, so this is language is English. And what is the category, guys? It's a, I guess it's an educational one. Okay, so self-improvement, I should say. Okay, remastery. So add a copyright info. So guys, we should consider this thing very serious. Okay, you can give the subtitle. Okay, but it is optional, guys. You can give or you cannot. Okay, so if you want it, you can give it. Okay, so your name should be there. Okay, guys, and what you need to other thing as well. So guys, if you are having an ISBN number, if you do not have, don't worry, this will this website will automatically generated. Just you need to click a use free ISBN and just click on get a free ISBN. Okay, just need to click on this thing and upload it, and you can see, guys, it is automatically generated. So you can download it and add it to your Word file. Okay, at the back of your Word file. Okay, so just click on this, design your okay, so we just need to upload our ebook. Okay, so I have already do the part. Okay, guys, so I have one ebook. So on the, I should go back, and this is my ebook. Okay, in the form of doc file. So until it is uploading, guys, I just continuously saying you just click on this choose file of your PDF and it will automatically do the conversion. Okay, you do not have to worry about it. Okay, so another thing that, guys, we need to upload is upload your image. Okay, image. So what do I do? So just click on this, right click on this and just click on this image and just save it on desktop. Okay, so that's simple, guys. And if you are in the mobile phone, guys, you can take a screenshot of it. Okay, and what you need to do, guys, just come up here where it is. Okay, here it is. So just need to upload this image. Okay, so what is the image name? Desktop. And so this is my image name. Okay, guys, it will do the automatical process. And make sure that, guys, this blue tick, this green tick is appeared. Okay, you can see this green tick. Okay, so just click on this details, and you just need to give details about your ebook. Okay, so give a description, guys. Okay, you can give a description here, guys. You can see where we have uploaded. Okay, we have uploaded here. So this is a description, guys. So sorry for this, guys, you need to type it because it is not scraping this thing. So you just need to type it manually. Okay, guys, you should have Otherwise guys, what you can do, you just come up here and it will do the auto scraping for you. Okay, here you can scrape your thing. Okay, so don't worry if you do not do. So another website I have already told you, so I should need to write some details, small description I should give. So I just gave a small description guys. Okay, you can give it. Okay, just writing it. And this is self-improvement guide, so you just need to give a category. Okay, improvement, I can give it improvement. Okay, just have a, so improvement might sounds like this guys. Okay, personal growth. Okay, so this category you need to select it. Okay, at least one, you can see at least one category, and I just need to give keywords here. Okay guys, so what type of keywords I can give? Self improvement. Okay, I can give this at least one keyword you need to give. Book. Okay, you can select at least one here. Okay, I can give another thing as well. Health. Okay guys, spirits and mind. Okay, this is another category I can assign to this book. Okay, so based upon a particular niche you can give it. Okay guys, you can see the audience. Okay, who are my audience? College or higher level students. Okay, so you need to categorize these kind of things, and what you need to do, just click on this add pricing page. Okay, so guys, what you need to do here, you just need to set up your price. Okay, so I just quickly do the price. You just need to, so give your revenue goals. Okay, so 9.9. okay, so it will do the automatically your calculation. You can see guys, within few minutes, if you just type in revenue goals and 9.9, okay, it will do the automatically your gross profit, your print cost. Okay, whatever they want to do. And you can see guys, there are different platforms, its own platform, Apple Book revenue. You can see guys, Amazon Kindle revenue, how much they are going to pay you for your book. Okay, okay guys, so for that guys, you just need to give a new pay your information. Okay, just click on this new pay. Okay, on which you are asking questions that sir, what type of things we need to do. And guys, whatever your country is, okay, this you can earn money globally. Okay, whatever your country is. Okay, so you can give your details, everything. Okay, and you are getting paid for that. Okay guys, so you can give your PayPal account. Okay, so I have quickly give my PayPal account email, and you can even give your taxation, but it is optional guys. You can give a taxation once you are getting your email your payment. Okay, so that's it guys, what you need to do, and just you need to give add pay. Okay, so it will give your payment information. Okay guys, so one more thing I just need to give guys, on when you have already select this revenue goals, just click on this fixed list. Okay, so this is basically to give you guys an introduction that revenue list will give you an insight. Okay, revenue goals will give you insight. It will first ask you a question that how much revenue you should generate. So $9.9. Okay, so fixed list price is this. Okay, so you have completely, and just click on this final review, and you can see guys, my book is published. Okay, my book is published. Okay, confirm ebook specifications and all. Okay, so it has successfully do the job. You can see guys, your Kindle revenue, it will always share with you. Okay, each and every detail, and you can see the reviews. Okay, on this, and just click on this confirm. Okay, and you are good to go. Confirm ebook details. Okay, confirm your copyright ebook details. You just need to first confirm these specific things, okay? And you can see guys, it will automatically load and do the confirmation for you. You can see what you need to select right now, just guys, general access, okay, or direct access. And I just want to tell you that general prospect, you just need to click on this publish to Lulu bookstore, and that's it. You can see guys, it will take some time and it will do the rest of the things. Okay guys, that simple guys, that simple. You can see my picture, okay, my book picture. So back to my projects, you can see. And so how much books you can give, you can see guys, your project is approved for distribution. That's simple guys. You can see now I can see people are actually, you can see the list price and you can see the pricing guys over your dashboard, okay, how much this book has done. You do not have to do anything, you just need to publish your book here, and that's simple guys, okay, that's simple. So you can now upload guys hundreds and hundreds of books from this site, okay. I just show you particular categories, you can see, okay, you can see the particular categories, whether you are an entrepreneur, Facebook, internet marketing, okay, whatever book you are having, you just click on this and select as per your niche, okay. If you want to give a book for affiliate marketers, you can see guys, okay, you can give it. So that's simple guys. You do not have to spend lot of times on you know, checking out other things, okay. You do not have to upload on multiple platforms, just upload on one platform and you are getting paid from multiple platforms, because it is doing the free hosting as well. It will provide you automatically an ISBN number free, you can see, and that's it, okay. Now you have already created a payment details. I have shown you the PayPal account that you have seen, my projects you can see, okay. Just click on another project and you are good to go, okay. That's simple guys. Nothing is there to do other things, and you are always get reviews on your mail ID, so you do not need to worry about any other things, okay guys. So this is it for this video guys. We'll see you in the next. Happy earning.